Hi, my name is James Weaver from Cradlepoint, and I'm going to talk to you about an SD-WAN capability called WAN Affinity. Now, WAN Affinity is rather straightforward. What we're simply doing is we're taking different types of traffic and marrying it with different types of links. Now, the best way to explain it is probably through a few examples. So let's say the quality of service for your VoIP traffic is really important to you. In that case, you go into NetCloud Manager and you set a policy through really point and clicks. You would do something like this. You'd say VoIP traffic goes only to an MPLS link. Now, my data traffic I can then send through my broadband links. Now, let's say as an example number 2, network congestion is really worrying you. In that case, you can go into NetCloud Manager and set a point-and-click policy that basically says, I'm going to load balance my bulk traffic or any kind of traffic to different links. There are 4 different selections that you can drop down and choose in the NetCloud Manager. Now, as a third example, let's say that metered traffic usage over your cellular network is something you're concerned about. You want to get ahead of that. And you have a guest Wi-Fi network. You could simply say, any guest Wi-Fi network can go on any link, in other words, whatever is available from the MPLS link and any of the broadband links, but it cannot go to a cellular link, even in the case of a failover. Now, these are 3 examples out of many, and that's WAN Affinity, a Cradlepoint SD-WAN solution.